Here's this app called Trendyol online shopping, growing in the charts, almost 100,000 rankings in just in US App Store. Your shopping app, trends, deals, and more. Treat yourself, welcome discount on your first order. Always on trends, fashion, beauty, home, and more. Local and global brands. Shopping made easy, easy checkout, flash sales, ultimate shopping destinations, welcome discount. I haven't heard about this app honestly. Uh, so there is exclusive Trendyol collection, and then there are a lot of brands like Nike, Balance, Apple, Legos. Like, so not only clothing. I didn't know that. So let's just install it. Is this just quite interesting? Is this? No, it seems it's not kind of Chinese app. I just don't know the origin. So let's just open it up and so here you can see the details, quite similar to Shane. Then you can just sign up. You have coupons, you have payment methods. And when you want to sign up, you can just easily do it with Apple, Google, Facebook, so standard. And then you just have it like that. Then you just need to verify your email, your questions. I don't know what that is. And then, yeah, you can just start to buy. There is also some Klarna integration. And then, for example, you can just browse some stuff. So Trendyol brand. I wouldn't say that the prices are exactly cheap in here, but yeah, here, for example, you can just find some sweaters. Then you can find some trendy items. It's a free shipping, and you can follow. So it's very similar design to like Shane. And then you have all the categories. Then you have favorites, browsing history. Then you have your cart. And that's the app. I don't know whether they have kind of like a, so they have coupons, but do they have some kind of referral codes? Collect and save new coupons await you every day. Don't miss them. So you obviously just need to start shopping with this app. So yeah, that's kind of the idea.